Hey there, welcome to the Motion Zulu Quick Fix. I will take you through a solution to the pesky Blender installation error 2503. Don't worry, we've got this. Just sit back, relax, and make sure to stick around till the end to fully grasp the magic of this method. Let's dive right in. Quickly go to your Drive C, press W to easily find the Windows folder, then enter. Next we have to find a folder called Temp. If you can't find it, make sure hidden items are set to view in your folder preview options. Next, left-click on the temp folder, scroll down and click on Properties. By default, it will be on the General tab. Just click on the Security tab. Under Groups, find Users on the list, and click Edit. A permissions window will open, click Users on the list again and tick Allow Full Control. Then Apply. A security prompt will appear. Press OK to continue. Boom! That's all, done. Done. Give your Blender installation another whirl and watch the magic unfold. And hey, while you're here, why not hit that subscribe button for the channel? It would be, wait for it, absolutely sublime. Get it? Because it's a sub button, and limes are fun. Okay, I'll see myself out.